I have tinnitus from last December
Okay.
2024. Okay. And the first part of this journey was very much horrible for me. And I got treatment from Homeopathy, Ayurvedic, and in the month of March, I found from Google about this institution, your institution, DrSpectra, and I visited your place, and you attended me, and accordingly you treated me, and I got the device.
Yes.
And using at first I was very much afraid because my past experience was very bad.
Okay.
So I was afraid. And after some time, I thought that I should try it again. And then I started and started to get the benefit.